Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 24. I don't know His Majesty is a girl. Princess is still outside. She was found by General Tantay. She's like having a tantrums. She was picking on anything on there. When the princess looked at General Tantay stepped back. Well, I think General Tantay likes her. In the few more chapter back, General Tantay is bound on the princess. The princess said, "How do you?" And she suddenly paused. I think also, the princess liked General Tantay. Whenever they met each other, she would really ask, what will General do? She was thinking, why did the General enter the palace? She always think like this. On the previous chapter, she will always ask General Tantay whereabouts. The General Tantay said, she came to palace to give something to His Majesty. I bet I know what General Tantay gave to Her Majesty. She bring books again. General Tantay asked the princess if she is unhappy because she saw the princess holding a grass or a lance, and she already saw the princess is throwing it somewhere. She was really mad. The princess answered no. The schoolwork is complicated and I feel a little bored. But again, she tear off the grass. It seems not like that. She is really unhappy or angry. Now General Tantay bowed down. She said she's the only one here. Little princess sister, don't be nervous. General Tantay pick up the rocks. What do you think, guys? What will she do to it? She picked up the rocks and she showed it to princess. Look, Shang. Hey, is she gonna throw it to princess or what? Better not be. Her Majesty will get mad to her. Now she called out and she threw it far away. Oh, I think the point of General Tantay is she can throw a stone to vent out her anger. A princess looked up. She followed where General Tantay threw the stone into water far away. Well, do you think the princess will do it? Oh jeez. She really want the princess to do it. She said, just think of this stone as the worry in your heart and throw it out. It's just to let out your problem or things. Well, it's really good. Maybe she will feel calm after this. The princess retreat. She said, it's too immodest. Well, for the royal family, they think it's an appropriate way. They supposed to be well-mannered. Again, General Tantay want to tease her. She said, I'm the only one here. Look at the princess. She was really cute on that thing. General Tantay said, if someone sees it, just say, I insist you throw it away. Now General Tantay put the stone into princess' hand. She really want the princess to do it. Now, the princess raised the stone, she picked it up, and she will throw it away. Will you think it has become a successful to throw it or not? Maybe it will fall to her. Now, as expected, the princess threw it away, but it's only on her front, and it's caused a suddenly splashing of water. The water splashed on their clothes. Well, what happened to General Tantay? It caused a loud bang. The water splashed so much. Maybe both of them drenched in water splash. Well, I am right. They get drenched. General Tantay has a splash of water on her face, on her clothes. Now the princess turned red. She was really shy. And she only said, "I don't know how to throw it." General Tantay wiped her face with a cloth and said she was fine. Well, it's her fault. She was pushing the princess to throw it. Now, it works on her way. I will teach you. General Tantay said to Princess. Princess looked surprised. Well, will you think she will do it next time? Well, this is really cute. General Tantay went to the back of the princess. She was holding her hands. She was teaching her how to throw it. Tilt your hand and exert force on your wrist. Well, that was really close. And the princess is blushing so much. Now, they throw it hard. The stone bounced into the water. It bounced 3 times. And they went under the pond. Princess looked happy. She said it's floated 3 times. And she was really amazed by this. As we all know, noble family often do this. They are raised to perfection. Now the princess looked back. She was really happy, as we can see on her faces. She was looking back at General Tantay. Well, if they do this, she will become calm. And then, General Tantay hold her. Well, how many times will they do this? It was really cute. Both of them. Can we ship them, guys? As a second pair? Princess looked fascinated or amazed. She looked at General Tantay. Well, is this the start of their love to each other? As we can see, General Tantay is really fond of her. She was always kind to Princess. Back in the few chapters ago, she was soft and gentle. Now General Tantay said, "Not so annoying now." The princess is shy. She turned red again. She said, "Well, thank you, General." General Tantay told the princess, "I told you not to call me General. Those who knew me said I was in the palace. Those who didn't knew thought I was on the battlefield." Wahahaha. General Tantay is laughing hard. And then, she wants to call her Alan or Alan. Well, General Tantay looks really gorgeous here. Alan? Aha! That's what General Tantay wants her to call herself. It's Alan. I bet this will be the start of their new love. General Tantay said, "As long as my princess is happy, I have official business to deal with, so I will leave the palace first. To coax her into willingly leaving the cage, you have to do it step by step. Oh, they will teaching the princess how to stand up alone." Alan, the princess called her. I think General Tantay liked her so much. Now the princess' heart is pounding. If I am unhappy in the future, can I talk to you? Guys, our ship are sailing. Well, It really ships smoothly. Now, General Tantay smiling so much, and she told the princess, of course, I bet she will do anything for the princess. Well, she really liked the princess. Hey General Tantay, what kind of book it is? Well, we all know about it. She was really enjoying it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you again next chapter. Bye!